In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Bajaj Finserv EMI network card to pay for purchases on Amazon. This process is straightforward and allows you to easily manage your finances by converting your purchase into flexible EMI payments. Let's dive into the steps to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. First, start by logging into your Amazon account and browsing for the products you wish to purchase. Once you've made your selection, add these items to your cart just like you would with any other online shopping experience. When you're satisfied with your shopping list, proceed to the checkout. It's crucial at this stage to double-check your selected items to ensure you've everything you need in your cart, as this is the final opportunity to modify your order before confirming payment. Next, you'll reach the payment page where Amazon offers various payment methods. Here, look for the option labeled Bajaj Finserv EMI Network Card. Selecting this card as your payment option sets the stage for a seamless EMI transaction, converting your shopping spree into manageable monthly payments. This capability means you won't have to bear the entire cost up front, allowing you greater financial flexibility. Now, you will need to decide on your repayment tenure. Amazon, in partnership with Bajaj Finserv, offers you the flexibility to choose from several repayment periods. Whether you prefer to settle your dues in a few months or spread the cost over an extended period, pick the time frame that best fits your budgetary requirements. Remember, selecting the right tenure can significantly ease your financial planning, so take a moment to consider what makes the most sense for you. Once you've decided on your tenure, it's time to input your Bajaj Finserv EMI network card details. Enter the required information carefully, ensuring that the card number is correctly typed in to avoid transaction errors. This step is crucial in linking your card to the payment process. Finally, to complete the transaction, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. This OTP, or one-time password, is an additional security measure designed to protect your financial information and confirm your identity. Simply enter the OTP in the provided field, and your purchase will be confirmed once it is verified. The success of this transaction will prompt a confirmation message, indicating that your order is completed and your EMI plan is now active. With these steps, you've effectively leveraged the power of your Bajaj Finserv EMI network card, allowing you to enjoy your purchases without the immediate financial burden. Following these instructions ensures not only a successful transaction, but also peace of mind knowing your payouts are conveniently managed over your chosen time period. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps enhance your Amazon shopping experience.